Hi, welcome to Total Home. My name is Gilbert Lutz, certified carpenter.
And I'm Cindy Lutz. I'm a certified property stylist. And we are a family-owned and operated business where we specialize in residential renovations, interior design, and home staging services.
As a certified carpenter, I can take care of all of your renovation needs from framing to finish.
And as a property stylist, Gilbert and I often actually have the opportunity to work together and help you redesign your space in your home. You can also work with me individually for your interior design needs, as well as I can help you to showcase your property for sale.
We're proud to say that we have won 7 awards, 4 years in a row with Trusted Pros and 3 years in a row with House.
Yeah, we're really proud of those results, and it's because of our valued customers like you that have provided us with some amazing reviews on all of our social media platforms, and you can certainly find us on Facebook and Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So look us up, and our website, of course, at yourtotalhome.ca.
Don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos, and please let us know if you have any comments, as I just already said that. Thanks a lot.
Yes, so leave your comments and feedback below for us. We'd love to hear from you. And wishing everybody a fantastic day.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And we're out. Guys, welcome to Total Home. My name is Gil. What? Cut. What happened there? You're making me cry. It's not good for the camera.
Okay.
Now we got the giggles. We're never going to get through this.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay. Stop laughing. Oh. Oh. There's a lot of tears. Okay. So is this about to start? Oh. Welcome to Total. Okay. All right. Hang on. We got to start this over. Oh. Don't. Hi guys. Welcome to Total. All right. Shh. Hi guys. Welcome to Total Home. My name is Gilbert, certified carpenter.
Sorry.
And this is Cindy.
Okay.
She needs a moment.
Okay. Start over right now.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome to Total
Hi,
Home.
everyone.
Hello everyone. Hi everyone. As a certified carpenter, I can take care of all of your renovation needs from framing to finish.
Yes, he's that good. I'm also as a certified property stylist. I think I agree.
I didn't see that line in the script. Let's just go.
I'm trying to chill it out a little bit.
Okay, cool. I'm chill.
Okay. You want to literally start from where we left off? Because that might not work.
This whole thing's not working. All right.
I think my makeup's running now. Is it?
Why don't you have waterproof makeup?
Well, I didn't plan to cry today.
Well, look at you got it all down.
You know how in the HGTV shows they kind of look back and forth at each other?
Yeah.
You know, do some of that.
Okay.
And why don't you talk about what you do?
Renovations. I do renovations.
On the interior design side, Gilbert and I have had the opportunity from time to time to be able to work with our customers and helping them to redesign a space.
Magic is what happens.
Absolutely. So if you have any feedback, leave it in the comments below and smash that like button for us and let us know that you enjoyed the clip. And we look forward to connecting with you, hopefully at some time in the near future.